Hello everyone. So we are back today making an updated version of shepherd's pie. So what we're going to do right now is with this, you see I already have the hamburger meat. I have my eggs. We're going to add some breadcrumbs. I have Italian style breadcrumbs. We're just going to add some breadcrumbs. And then we're going to be using some French onion soup. Now with French onion soup, you guys, it has a lot of flavor. It's kind of salty. So we're not going to be utilizing too much seasonings on this one. So let's go ahead and add a little bit of this French onion soup. All right, so we added about a half a can of French onion soup. Um, just I'm also going to be adding some red crushed peppers and some cayenne pepper. Did I just say it? I said that right, didn't I? Girl, listen. I'm going to sprinkle some of that on there, and we're going to go ahead and just mix everything in. I put enough in here because, again, we're going to be cooking with hamburger meat. So depending on how you like your spices, it's up to you. But, I like my things a little bit spicy. So let's go ahead and mix this in. All right, so as you can see, we went ahead and got our mixture in. Now, I would recommend 2 eggs for a 1-pounder. Well, per pound. If you're making this any larger, then if you're utilizing any more meat than a pound, I would recommend 2 eggs per pound. For the French onion, if you're using, like 2 pounds of meat, I would recommend the whole can of a French onion soup. And what we're going to do now, that was just a side note. Let's go ahead and put this in our pan. All right, so as you can see, we had evenly spread out our meat. So we're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven. I already have the oven set for 350. And we're going to allow this to cook for a couple of hours. And we're just going to check on it periodically and go on to part 2.